into my room. So I've told you guys in the past, my room is very, very small, so I try to use as much storage as I can to get the most use out of my room. So it's a little cluttered, but we're just gonna take you through everything. So right when you walk in, we have my big bed here. I honestly wish I had a smaller one because it just takes up so much room, but that's okay. On the opposite side of my bed over here, we have Billy, my little son. He's really smelly right now and needs a cage change, so we're gonna ignore that, but he is up high on a table. I had him on the floor before, but he gets very, very nervous on the floor, and so now he gets to sleep next to me every night. So next to my bed, I have this little plant. I actually got this before I went away to college and left it with my mom to take care of it, and it died, but I resuscitated it. This pot is from Home Goods, Marshalls, so I'm not sure I'll be able to find it, but I thought it was super cute. I actually got this for our next apartment we move into, so, but I couldn't wait to use it. Over here, we have my little office space. I really needed this, somewhere to get something done and, you know, very like chic and organized looking. So this is the desk I had in my apartment. This is from Home Goods. I also got this. This is from Home Goods as well. I think literally almost everything I have in here is from Home Goods. So pretty much all my decorations from Home Goods. I just have my laptop here, some stuff in it. This chair and pillow are from Home Goods. Actually, this pillow might be from Target. Threshold brand. Yeah, that's Target, right? I think so. This little Edison bulb lamp I have here as well is from Home Goods. I also have this in my apartment. Really a fan of the... Going over here, I have this. You guys have been waiting for this. I'm going to do a whole tour of this. But this is my purse rack that I built myself. Let me tell you guys, it was a lot of work. But I really, really love how it turned out. I'm going to be doing an entire tour of my purses, or I shouldn't say tour. I'm going to be doing an entire like purse collection and shoe collection video because you guys really wanted to see that. So with that being said, we're going to move on over here to next to the door where I have my shoe collection. I have all of these in color order like I do the rest of the things in my life. You'll see soon. So yeah, I really need another one of these, but I don't have any space in my room as you can see. So these are all of my favorite shoes that I pretty much wear, not daily, you know. I don't change shoes 84 times a day, but the ones I get the most use out of. Another thing I skipped past, I really love that my door has a built-in mirror. I think this is from Home Depot or something. I don't know. I just painted it white. That's why there's like paint on the door handle. But I really like this because it's not one of the ones that just hangs over your door, so you don't have to like worry about it like moving around and stuff when you open and close the door. Really, really like that. So up here on the wall, I got these things. Honestly, I don't know where from. I got them so long ago. They were in my room when I still had like a pink, black, and white theme. They were painted black and I painted them white. They don't look that great. They wouldn't really cover that well, but those are there before I had my shoe rack here to kind of like take up the space on that wall. Going over here, this is my closet. Very, very, very tiny, and you guys wanted to see a closet tour as well, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to do that. I have these bifold doors that open up like this into my tiny little closet. Underneath is kind of messy just because I have to like put a lot of stuff in there that I don't want to be seen anywhere. But again, we have my color coordinating. I'm ridiculous, I know. This is kind of all of my like current pieces, short sleeve, top, blouses, things. And then I have jackets, sweatshirts, and everything down here. And then I have some dresses and rompers and stuff over here. Some of Billy's stuff down here. And then I have my filming lights just thrown over here. But you guys will see more of that in my closet tour. Going over here, we have this. This was also in my apartment. Literally a ton of this stuff was in my apartment. I wasn't planning on reusing anything, but I ended up doing that. So this is from Home Goods as well. Just these little drawers here. And I'm going to be going through this when I do my vanity tour. So I won't show you everything, but I keep a lot of my beauty extras and stuff in here. Things that are just there, easy for me to get ready at my vanity. I have my little jewelry organizer here. I got another one that I think I'm going to switch over to instead, but I haven't done that yet. So another little plant baby back here. The pot that it's in is from Target. Ooh, apparently I watered him a little too much. There's water sitting on top. I promise I'm not trying to kill him. Coming over here to my vanity, this is where you guys see all of my makeup tutorials happen and where I get ready every morning. I have this chair. This is from HomeGoods. Just throwing this little blanket over it. It's nice when I'm like editing or like getting ready or something and I don't know, I'm cold. I have no idea. So over on my vanity, like I said, I'm going to be showing this all more in depth in my vanity tour, but I just have some of my beauty essentials here, some rings that I wear, all of my brushes I really need bigger organization for, and my vanity in here. Like I said, I'm not going to show you guys everything, but you'll see more of it in the vanity tour. And yeah, vanity tour. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You have been asking for it for literally since I moved home for months, so I finally kind of have it together, so hopefully you guys did enjoy this. I am probably going to be living here for next year. We'll see. I'll update you guys if that changes, but that's why I kind of went all out and kind of like switched this up. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and stick around by clicking the subscribe button down below along with the little notification bell so you do not miss when I post another video to my room tour series. If you guys are not following me on my social media already, be sure to do that by following me at AMANDALOUISE YT. I post all the time, go on Instagram Live all the time, and interact with you guys, so be sure to join my little IG family. And I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!